Form 5695 claims the residential energy credits for improvements you made to your home. There are two parts. The residential clean energy credit, worth 30% of the cost of solar panels, solar water heating, wind, and geothermal systems, and the energy efficient home improvement credit, for things like efficient windows, doors, insulation, and heat pumps. Enter your name and social security number from your Form 1040. Enter your qualified costs for the year. For the clean energy credit, the form takes 30% of what you spent on qualifying property, like solar panels, including the labor for installation. There is no annual dollar cap on the solar credit, though the efficiency credit has yearly limits by item. The clean energy credit is non-refundable, but any unused amount carries forward to future years. Keep your receipts and the manufacturer certification statements with your records. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.